Good afternoon, class. Today we will be discussing Mary Wollstonecraft, a prominent 18th century writer, philosopher, and feminist thinker. Wollstonecraft was born in London in 1759 and is best known for her book, A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, which was published in 1792. In A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, Wollstonecraft argued that women were not naturally inferior to men, but rather, their lack of education and opportunities for self-improvement made them appear so. She believed that women should have the same access to education and the same rights as men in order to achieve their full potential. Wollstonecraft's philosophy was grounded in the belief that reason and education were essential for human progress. She argued that reason, not tradition or authority, should be the basis for ethical and political decision-making. She also believed in the importance of individual autonomy and the ability of individuals to shape their own destinies. In addition to her feminist writings, Wollstonecraft was a vocal supporter of the French Revolution and wrote several books on political philosophy, including An Historical and Moral View of the French Revolution and A Vindication of the Rights of Men. Wollstonecraft's ideas were highly influential and paved the way for later feminist thinkers. Her belief in the importance of education and individual autonomy helped to shape the feminist movements of the 19th and 20th centuries. Unfortunately, Wollstonecraft's life was cut short when she died in 1797 at the age of 38 due to complications from childbirth. However, her legacy lives on, and her contributions to feminist philosophy continue to inspire and inform feminist discourse to this day. In conclusion, Mary Wollstonecraft was a groundbreaking philosopher and feminist thinker whose ideas on education, individual autonomy, and gender equality continue to shape feminist discourse. Her work has had a lasting impact on Western philosophy and continues to inspire new generations of feminist thinkers. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to our discussion.